Many people think the ongoing wars in the world do not need Africa's intervention, since Africa has no military might to offer. But that would be a grave mistake because the wars in the world need intervention, and spiritual one for that matter. Africa is the hub of spirituality in the world. There is no need to be sentimental about it. Look around, and you will understand what I'm talking about. Everyone has their strengths and weaknesses, and part of Africa's strengths is spirituality. For a long time, Africa's spirituality has been termed as being primitive or fanatic, but that's a wrong notion. Africa serves the world with its spiritual insights and solutions. So, the wars going on in the world now need spiritual intervention, and of course, Africa. As much as there is a need for dialogue and ceasefire, what brings true and lasting peace is spiritual intervention, in which Africa plays a huge role. People who understand spiritual matters understand what I'm talking about. For though we walk in the flesh, we do not war according to the flesh. For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal but mighty in God for pulling down strongholds, casting down imaginations and every high thing that exalts itself against the knowledge of God, bringing every thought into captivity to the obedience of Christ, and being ready to punish all disobedience when your obedience is fulfilled. 2 Corinthians 10:3-6. Africa must take its place on the global stage. Now it's our time. The world is waiting for the manifestation of the sons of God. We have spiritual gifts and insights. We have wisdom. We bring peace and good news to the dying world. When foreigners came to our land, we embraced and welcomed them into our homes. We are people of peace and love. Let's take our place in the world and bring the transformation that it needs. Let's pray for the dying world. The world is sick and people are killing themselves every day. Even the wars we have in Africa are perpetuated by foreign evil minds. We must put a stop to this evil. We must silence the devils and destroy their wicked plans. Darkness cannot overcome light. As long as there is light in the world, darkness cannot prevail. And the truth will always triumph over lies. Let's take our place in glory and manifest our power and authority in the world. God bless Africa. God bless the world. Read next, Africa's nuclear weapon. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact +31,600 and 85,154,335. WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Africa's nuclear weapon. 2. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works, L1. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments.